Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can create a Google Map route shortcut on the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. With the shortcut created on the home screen, this will allow you to quickly drive to your destination by simply just tapping on the shortcut on the home screen. So first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold, and then tap on widgets at the bottom. Next, you want to swipe across and tap on the Maps folder. Then in Maps, you want to choose Directions and then touch and hold and drag it onto your home screen. Next, you need to put in the destination. So let's say I'm going to put in 5 Ocean Court, City Beach. You can give it a shortcut name. So let's say Uncle Bob. So Uncle Bob, you can choose to avoid highways or avoid tolls or just to leave them as the default. Okay, so now we're going to choose whether you're going to drive, go by bike or walking or by bus or ferry. So I'm going to choose by car and tap on save. Okay, so we tap on save, and now whenever you are going to Uncle Bob, you just tap on that. That will proceed to open up the maps. It will try to locate your current location using the GPS to locate your current locations, and then it will work out your destinations, which is 5 Ocean Road in City Beach, and then it automatically give you the maps with a step-by-step directions. So basically it will show you a maps here, and that's it. So that's all you have to do. So from now on, you do not need to manually open up the maps and then put in the address. All you have to do is just tap on the shortcuts, and that will automatically launch the map with a predefined destination. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.